If your entire business runs out of Gmail, you have probably heard of Streak. It is a CRM that lives right inside your inbox. No new tab, no new login, but is it still worth it in 2026? Let's break it down fast. What is Streak? Streak is a Chrome extension that runs Gmail into a lightweight CRM. Every email links to a deal, contacts get enriched automatically, and you move deals through pipeline stages: lead, contacted, proposal sent, closed one. Right next to your inbox. The pitch is simple. If you already spend your whole day in Gmail, why go somewhere else to manage your pipeline? Key features. Three things stand out: email tracking, see when someone opens your email, which is consistently one of the best rated features among users; pipeline view, it looks like a spreadsheet crossed with a Kanban board with custom fields for whatever your workflow needs; mobile apps, the iOS and Android apps are well reviewed for being smooth and efficient. But there is a catch. Streak only works with Gmail, personal accounts, or Google Workspace. If you are on Outlook, it's a deal breaker. Pricing. Here's where it gets confusing online. So let's be clear on 2026 numbers. Streak phased out its free CRM tier. What is free now is just email tools like tracking and snippets, not a full CRM plan. For actual CRM features, Pro around $49 per user per month annually, Pro Plus around $69 per user per month, Enterprise around $129 per user per month. All paid plans include unlimited records and shared contacts. For a 5-person team on Pro, that's roughly $245 a month, or about $2,340 a year. How it compares. Versus Pipedrive or Copper, Streak is comparable to Pipedrive and cheaper than Copper, but both of those are standalone CRMs with deeper feature sets. Versus newer inbox tools like SalesFlare automates more. It scraps signatures and pulls social data automatically, while Streak still relies on you to build and manage the pipeline manually. Verdict. So is Streak the best Gmail CRM in 2026? If you are a solo founder, freelancer, or a small team of 2 to 10 people who never leaves Gmail, yes, it's still one of the easiest ways to manage a pipeline without extra software. But if you need heavy automation, work outside Gmail, or you are scaling past 15 reps, it starts to show its limits. If that sounds like you, drop a comment. I'll cover the best Streak alternatives next. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.